All right, this is it. This is the part of the course where we actually start building Apple Watch apps. So for our very first app, we're going to be building an app called the Time Tracker. Now, the inspiration behind this app is that I work from home. I'm just chilling out here in my basement with you, and I find it hard sometimes working from home to separate my work life from my personal life. I mean, they're all literally under the same roof. And so sometimes they bleed into each other and just sort of messes me up in the head. So I really like to separate them as much as I can. So usually what I do is I'll say, okay, I want to work 6 real hours today. And once I've hit those 6 hours, I'm done working. I can go relax, chill with my family, whatever. And so what I do right now is I use a website to sort of track my hours. I can clock in and out, and maybe I work for 2 hours and I'll go take a lunch break, and then I'm back at it a little bit, but then I go and get a snack. You can tell I love food. But how cool would it be to track those hours in an Apple Watch app, just all on my wrist, and not always have to go to this, internet browser and clock in and out? It'd just be so much cooler to just go in and out, and I can always track on my wrist how many hours I've worked that day. So I can say, okay, I've got a couple more hours I got to do. I should dive into it now, stuff like that. Okay. So we're going to be building this time tracker app. The real purpose behind this is I want you to have a nice introduction about how to build Apple Watch apps. This is a little bit of a simpler one, but I want you to see that flow in Xcode about how you start an Apple Watch app and how you work with storyboards. Oh my goodness, if you haven't worked with storyboards inside of Apple Watch apps, they're hilarious. I mean, they're just these itty bitty little squares compared to like the view controllers you're normally used to. But it's going to be a lot of fun. So we're also going to be learning about tables with Apple Watch apps. It's just, I'm kind of giving you all the basics in this time tracker app. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into it. We're going to go through a sketch first, and then we'll start coding this thing.